Hey there, it's Des Gibbs, your holistic personal trainer. I'm here to dive into the science behind holistic wellness. Today, we're going to chat about the world of holistic supplements and discuss a little bit of scientific evidence behind their effectiveness. And I'm going to highlight doTERRA's innovative solutions for optimal wellness, specifically holistic weight loss supplements. First, what exactly are holistic supplements and what scientific research supports their efficacy? So, holistic supplements are derived from natural sources like herbs and plants, and they contain bioactive compounds that interact with our body systems to promote health and well being. Numerous studies have demonstrated their potential benefits from supporting immune function to managing chronic conditions, right? So, let's dive deeper into the science behind holistic weight loss supplements. So, weight management is a very complex process and it's influenced by various factors, including things like metabolism, appetite regulation, energy expenditure, even some genetics. But doTERRA's MetaPower Metabolic Blend incorporates essential oils like grapefruit, lemon, peppermint, ginger, and cinnamon, and they're each backed by scientific research for their potential role in supporting weight loss. Like grapefruit oil, for example, contains compounds like limonene, which have been shown to boost metabolism and reduce appetite in some studies. Lemon essential oil exhibits antioxidant properties that may support detoxification and fat metabolism. Now, the peppermint oil has been researched for its potential to curb cravings and enhance exercise performance. And then we have ginger, cinnamon oils, and in the assist product, berberine. And these offer anti-inflammatory effects and may help stabilize blood sugar levels, and this contributes to overall improved metabolic health. Now, combining these scientifically backed ingredients, doTERRA's MetaPower Assist and Oil Blend provides a holistic approach to weight management that aligns with the latest research findings. Now, I have to highlight the benefits of a high quality collagen supplement. My favorite is doTERRA's Advantage Collagen. Now, this is a premium collagen supplement formulated to support joint health, muscle recovery, and overall vitality. So, just to highlight some of its key benefits. First of all, the Advantage Collagen contains 9 types of collagen, and these are targeted toward a variety of benefits. Things like joint health and mobility, just one to name a few. But this collagen and collagen in general is a key component of cartilage, and that's the tissue that cushions and protects joints, making it essential for maintaining joint function and flexibility. This is a bioavailable source of collagen peptides, which are easily absorbed by the body and utilized for muscle tissue repair. And this can help accelerate post-exercise recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Not to mention NMN, which is important for feeling your best. And in addition to the joint health and muscle health, collagen is also known for, of course, the beauty-enhancing stuff like hair, skin, and nails. But this collagen product is so much more than that because of the NMN, which declines after age 25. So it's important that we help our bodies produce it, right? The collagen is also available in a convenient powder form, so it's really easy to incorporate in your daily routine. Just mix in a little bit of water, or you could also put it in a smoothie if you'd like. Next, I want to highlight the hydration packs. Now, I really love this because they are sugar-free. They are specifically also formulated to replenish electrolytes and helps enhance performance during exercise. Now, these hydration packs contain electrolytes like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and those are all lost through sweat during anything that we're sweating or anytime we're sweating. But replenishing these is crucial for maintaining proper hydration, preventing cramps, and sustaining optimal performance and just feeling your best. Dehydration can lead to decreased endurance, fatigue, impaired performance, and just not feeling great. So these packs are a very convenient way to hydrate effectively at any time of day. So they're also designed for rapid absorption. So the electrolytes and those fluids are quickly delivered to the bloodstream for immediate hydration and just to help you feel your best. As I mentioned, this is extremely important when you're working out or doing anything, but especially after sleeping all night. Did you know most people are dehydrated from a night's sleep? Yeah, just from sleeping. But I prefer to drink a full glass of water with one of these hydration packs first thing in the morning to wake me up and give my body all that it used and is missing from the night before. The last thing I want to discuss is the importance of quality when it comes to holistic supplements. doTERRA's commitment to purity, potency, and sustainability ensures that you are getting the highest quality products for your health and overall well-being. Now, their rigorous testing and sourcing protocols guarantee that each supplement meets the highest standard of excellence, which is something that I love. So as you embark on your wellness journey, remember to prioritize evidence-based solutions backed by scientific research, which doTERRA has. Consult with healthcare professionals like myself and choose brands like doTERRA that prioritize transparency and efficacy in their products. So, the science behind holistic supplements provides compelling reasons to integrate them into your wellness routine. With doTERRA's innovative solutions and commitment to quality, you can trust that you're investing in products backed by research and designed to support your overall well-being and health goals. So thank you so much for joining me on this brief exploration of the science behind holistic supplements and the benefits of doTERRA. Now, if you found this video interesting, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based insights into holistic wellness. Check out the notes below for some freebies I have and links to the products we discussed. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye-bye.